Hey, good morning. It's, I guess we'll call it post Black Friday or something. Yeah. This was different this year, I found. Black Friday was, it's like the retailers started it in the middle of like October with Black Friday sales or something. So when we got down to this, the big moment of Black Friday, it was kind of like, comment below if you feel, how you felt about Black Friday this year, because it was kind of a deflative sort of thing, and I guess the first number one item on my list was I just really didn't see the door crasher specials that I usually see. And I also did some driving around Black Friday morning, let's go check it all out. We hit the Lowe's, the Home Depot. That's my first two stores for, tools that are on sale. The other place I went to, which I usually never go to, but I also went through in Harbor Freight just because I was having some problems. It was like, I'm really not seeing fantastic prices for product that's door crasher, like, $1 and, grab them. So I did find something that was kind of odd, but it was like, if you're like me and you have a working shop, for example, Lowe's had a really nice screwdriver set, but it was like, I already have a really good set. I have a lot of screwdrivers. I don't think I need to buy a 62-piece set or something for $29. It was like, nah. The wife did get some tape measures that she needed, so that was great. But there really wasn't, we just like, there's just nothing to buy, good prices, some nice tools, but it's like, I already have 2 of those. I already have 5 of those. I don't need those tools. So there really wasn't the kind of deals I was looking for. And but I did find this over at Harbor Freight, and I thought I'd mention it. The only reason is I have 2 sets of drill bits, but I don't have anything that's a complete set. In this case, 29, I think it was 29. Yeah, 29 piece drill bit for $9.95. Titanium. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm sure. Nice brand name. Anyways, that's that's all I'm looking at there. And they'll probably rip up and be destroyed pretty easily. But for $9.95, the complete set, and it was a nice set. Let's see if I can open it for you. For Harbor Freight. Again, that's a place I usually don't go, but I did this year, and it was like, okay, this is a nice drill bit set with lots of drill bits. It'll give me some extra edge against, especially the small ones that you always break and whatever. So this way it's a full set, and it's actually kind of a nice little package they've got there. So there we go. So that wasn't too bad. Also stopped at some yard sales, of all things. I always do yard sales anyways every weekend, and found this little guy here, little camera piece here that was $10. The regular, I think it's $159 or something at Amazon. So it was like, man, that's something. But overall, we bought just a couple of things, and it was like, that's all we could find. There really didn't, it just didn't feel like it was the Black Friday that we used to have in the old days when everything was in the newspaper. You sat down, you made a list of the stores, which ones to go to in what order. Oh, also hit Walmart. And really, between you and me, I did not see anything at Walmart that was really, again, a door crasher price. Like, they weren't giving away a air fryer for $15 or something. They were, I think it was 50 and up was what I saw. And I went through all everything, the blue jeans, the socks, all the usual things that you might grab on Black Friday because that's the time of year to get the deal. Also went to Amazon and went through their stuff, and again, didn't really see anything. I did see a couple of spools of filament that I do like. So I grabbed the deal on that. It was $11 a spool, which was like, whoa, that's a good price. So I ordered a bunch of spools. And in fact, those spools are here already, so that's great. The good old Amazon, the next day, boom, it's on the porch. Sometimes same day. And I ordered a couple other things, minor things from around for the property, whatever. But I did not find, I didn't come home with table saws or, hand saws or anything miraculous. It just, I'm not disappointed overly, but it was kind of like the sales seemed like they started back early. And by the time you get to Black Friday, it's kind of like, that thing has been that price for, weeks or something. So I was like, there's no reason to get all excited. Now I went through all the tools at Lowe's where they had them all laid out, the cobalts and all that, $9.95, $19.95, this kit, that kit. And again, didn't really see anything that jumped out and said, oh, you got to have it. There was some nice plier sets, that kind of thing, but I already have a full set of Mac tool pliers. that covers me for everything, you know. There was some saw blades, that kind of thing, grinder wheels over at I hit Tractor Supply. And Tractor Supply was probably the biggest disappointment. I really did not see anything that was what I would call door crasher. They had a lot of nice DeWalt stuff, but the prices were like, you know, it just feels like it's not that great. It was like, yeah, let's save $5 or $10 something, but like I don't need it right now, and may never need it, so I'm not going to buy it. You know? Wow. Okay, so I'd like to hear some comments and see how did you do? Did you get anything? Did you get a deal on anything? Also, if you're up in the area, Menards. I'd love to hear about Menards and see, you know, did you get something from Menards, because we don't have that. We have Lowe's and Home Depot, no Menards around here. Another great store for, you know, a Black Friday sales for, you know, tools and goodies. I did get some other cyber stuff, but like I said, it was really not that great. Now, I was going to plan on doing a Wednesday show and maybe release it Wednesday or Thursday for you. We were so backed up with other things going on that I just couldn't even get to it. In fact, I was up past midnight last night. This is Sunday. Now this is Monday. I was up late last night past midnight getting the 3D printers switched over to the next product, because I'll be honest with you, shopping, Black Friday, whatever, it's like a, I don't know, it's just boom, you know, and we got slammed. Yeah, we got slammed, and they bought all the product off the shelf kind of thing, to where it was like, now we're 3, 4, and 5 behind, and we need to get those out right away so they can be ready to ship for Monday. So even as I speak, there's a 3D printer, at least one, still running in here. But we had, 3 of the biggest machines, 2 of the hyperspeed machines, everybody's running. And it's like, I think I need more machines or something. It's like, I can't keep up right now. It'll slow down, obviously, because it's the, was it the mayhem of Black Friday or something like that, or post Black Friday. People are still shopping stuff out and ordering stuff. But it's good, you know. But it's been a really, it turned into such a crazy week. I had to just sort of like, just stop, you know. It was like, oh, I can't even get anything done with the filming right now. So, and I had all kinds of ideas for you guys for, you know, this week and stuff. And it was like, man, everything's all put off. We were going to do a MIG machine today. I haven't got time to, you know, get the MIG, and we'll get into it. We will get into it. We'll get into it probably Thursday, I guess. And also we got a giveaway thing or something here too. And we need to get back to that, because I love giving some of the stuff that comes through here. I love to, you know, just give it away to the viewers, you know, give back to the viewers, like to say. I'd like to hear some comments about Black Friday. How did you feel about it? Did you think it was, were the prices as woo as you expected, or did you think the prices were higher than expected for the deals, you know, that kind of thing? And also, did you get anything? I've got to get online today. It's Cyber Monday. So I got to get online again today and do a little shopping and ordering some more stuff. Just for example, I ordered those 2 extra filament rolls because they were Black Friday special. They came in right away from Amazon. They were like almost the same day. They dropped them on the porch, and I'm like, yay, you know. Both spools are just about eat up already. It was like, I need more spools. What happened? Anyways. It's been a roller coaster and a tough week since last week. So today we're going to try to get back on schedule this week, I think. Yeah, I hope. And we'll get back at it. And thank you so much for checking in on us and Copying Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notice bell, and leave some comments. And I'm out of here. Over and out.